Yeah, fix it. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this.
Hey guys!
Walk along there, people.
So I'm Jodian.
And I'm Remy. Yeah, you know we're coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica.
That's right, in our front yard. And
So what we're gonna do today? What we're gonna do today?
we are going to be making a floating shelf.
You mean one of
For
them
the
shelves that
master
will float
bedroom.
like I don't know.
Yeah, like,
So you're gonna use this.
yeah.
Okay.
So we have two pieces of this, guys.
Okay.
Because I like symmetry. I never say symmetry.
Say it right.
Symmetry, okay? So I'm going to have this be going beside the bed. Yeah, two
Okay,
sides.
and the mounting up beside the bed.
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
Right, and this is what I'm going to be using to hold it up on the wall.
Okay.
Now this is an old jeans pant, so I'm cut up. Right, so I'm going to tell you the measurement and everything when we go around to the sewing area.
But me I got sew by the way, right?
Yes, you're going to sew.
Thanks. Give me something for today.
So basically I just use the pin right now to show you the length.
Okay.
The length.
Alright, okay, the one I go into details yet. So we
Yeah.
have a paintbrush for paint it for like varnishing.
Yeah, varnish and wood stain.
We have we
Sandpaper.
sandpaper, we have
Yeah.
sander and a machine is. And then you have your varnish and your whatever this is.
Right, so it's varnish and wood stain.
Wood stain.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
varnish and wood stain.
True DIY people. Something you do in your yard by yourself. Anybody can try this, so
Right,
we're gonna get into it, right?
that's right.
That's right. Let's get into it.
Let's get sanding, guys! Yes, guys, so we don't have a sander, so we're just using sandpaper right now. And our hands, of course.
Yeah.
That's total DIY, right?
So you're sanding on the edges.
Yes, I'm sanding away at the edges.
Okay.
Just want the edge to be smooth so it not be sharp and thing, you know?
Alright, then for call you DIY queen, you know. It's about time you show your DIY to the public now.
Yeah, man.
You want to DIY this table?
Yes, I know, right? And it's I'm working on now. See it?
So,
Serving its purpose. Oops. So guys, until we are fully equipped, the thing is to use what you have.
Yes.
So we have this piece of board lying around. We have the old jeans pants lying around. You just cut it out to the size you want. And we're going to do a DIY shelf.
Yeah, and most people have a lot of stuff in their house and in yard that they're not using. That can be turned into DIY projects, right?
Yes.
And you're going to show them how to do that.
That's
right?
right.
I know.
Yes, so this is looking smooth. Guys, you don't have to look at being perfect because this is not about perfection. It's DIY, guys, but you just want it to be safe because some people have kids around them and you don't want your things them to be too sharp and so that the kids damage themselves around it. And some of us kind of clumsy, you know, we'll book up in everything. Yeah, so that's all smooth.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we finished sanding. We actually sand, as I said, because you want to get the rough edges so you don't stick you and all of that, so you get it smooth and nice and you move on to the next stage, which is we're going to be varnish. But if you want to just use it just as is, yeah, it's totally fine. I mean, okay guys, so we're here outside in the early morning. Jeez, listen, you hear that quietness? Oh, my airplane passed. But anyhow, you hear birds in the morning and you get that night. Look here guys, the rain is gone and the sun is out to play again today. So we're having that nice sunshine in the morning. Alright, so we'll mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to just varnish. This is just to prevent like the wood from getting, you know, whoa. You keep that natural look, same way of the. Alright, and since the theme is like the coastal theme that we're going with the ash gray and thing, so this now will bring in like the element of the sand and those, you know.
Yeah, I like
So,
it. I like it when you keep it natural.
yeah, the natural tone. And it kind of bring up the darker parts of it. It bring it up, you see it?
God, they did this something there.
Yeah, we just dip it in there.
And just paint that lovely piece of board. Who knew you could use a piece of board to do this, right?
Ha!
And,
Okay, so
you know,
going all over this with this.
You can remind them that you can find awesome ideas on Pinterest, you know.
Yeah.
This is where we saw this.
Guys, use up the things that are available to you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you're a creative person and you love to create things, come on man, go to Pinterest. You can find a lot of stuff on YouTube as well. And
And there are so many awesome stuff out here in the stores that, you know, can be used as DIY. Awesome.
exactly.
That you're going to be showing them, aren't you?
Yes. I'm so going to be showing them.
Yeah. Ooh, I love the golden color, like, you know,
Yeah,
golden
it
tone to it, I should say.
I'm gonna show you guys the mood board that I'm working on. It's not perfect,
You're
but
saying
you
your
know,
mood board shot.
but it kind of bring in the colors that I want to have going on, to be going on in there. And
I think before anybody, well, it's said that before you start to, you know, do your decoration, you should definitely create a mood board first.
yeah,
So that you can see where you're going. It's like a vision of what you want your room to be,
yeah.
a living space, or wherever you're decorating.
It's a clear vision, you know, of how you want the mood of your bedroom to be like, or any space in your house. The
Mood board
mood.
is different from
Yeah.
vision board, right?
Yeah, it's more in detail as to what exactly the look you're going for
Okay,
and how the feel. So not just the look, but the feel. Like, yeah.
that's cool. You should definitely do a tutorial on that one.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave this to dry. Okay guys, so we're finished staining in the wood, and so we're going to be going inside to get the strips ready for hanging it up
Which I
while
like
we
this
leave
one.
these outside to dry.
Right.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
So guys, it's now my turn to do something. Jodian has been having all of the fun, so I decided I'm gonna take this part over and sew this for her. Right. So let's get into it. Okay, so guys, we finished stitching this section here, and now we're going to be folding it like this and doing a straight stitch along this line, and then we're going to be, you know, pulling it out back on the right side. So yep, here goes. Yeah, yeah.
Here goes.
I use that a lot on my podcast. And Anchor.
Music reviews. Here goes.
Muta those so much.
I think I'll cut it into this. Cut it.
Okay, so I'm gonna be running a straight stitch right now. Like first I gotta back up, and then we're gonna be.
The professional guys.
Jody, teach me how to do it, but
I'm so proud of you.
thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Kinda go over too much, but hey, let's get it on. Welcome to DIY Decor.
That's right. So remember, guys, you don't have to sew it if you don't want. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can just glue the strips together.
Yeah, like a no-sew kind of vibe.
Yeah, like a no-sew kind of vibes. But you really don't have the sewing. You don't want to get in some sewing.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Exercise.
Yeah.
This is dope. Ooh, sewing to me is like therapy though. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's fun.
So I'm almost finished.
And we're going to be doing that to all the other strips, and then go outside and see if that thing is dry. It should be dry by now.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, there we have it, our DIY floating shelf. Oh my god, I can't believe it's perfect.
Can't wait to see you decorate it. You should show us how you decorate it. It's awesome.
Yes, let's go ahead to that. Okay, I'm just gonna get
Go
my
on, Jody. Put something up there, girl. What you mean? Oh, you shot bout. Oh. I just put some random something up there. This way it's gonna look like what you done.
Wow.
Woo! Looking good, girl. Looking good. What is this? Seashell?
Yes, my dear. Elements from the sea. By the sea.
Awesome.
Coastal elements. that is.
Awesome.
Yes,
Awesome.
Yes,
We know what they're gonna do for you.
yes, yes, yes.
And they're on both sides of the wall. But this one is just the display one that you want to show them, right? Oh my god, it's so awesome. She just put her little books them here so, and then she get her and you use hooks.
Yes.
Okay. Oh wow. Wow. Okay guys, so there you have it. Our very own
DIY floating shelf.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I know you're gonna love it. You should
so
try
awesome.
it too.
You guys should definitely try it and share with us your photo, and we will definitely post it on our Instagram. Yeah.
Yes guys, remember to subscribe to our channel.
Right.
I'm Jodian.
And I'm Ramiz, and click that notification bell, guys. Don't forget that
That's
part.
right. Subscribe and click that notification bell.
Right. So guys, our next videos are going to be about us creating, DIYs that we can use up here officially. And we're going to be doing a lot of DIY projects that we want to use in our new refurbished bedroom. So you guys stick and stay. We have a lot more coming your way, right?
That's right.
Yes. Follow us on Instagram at Decor to see all the process of leading up to the vlog, right?
Okay.
So, love you guys. Thank you for sticking with us. Peace and love.
See you next time.
Next time.